Talkie Talk English.
Hello,
Hi there. What's your name?
I'm Mark. What's your name?
My name is Anna.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Do you live here?
Yes, I do. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. Are you a student?
Yes, I study English. Do you like this park?
Yes, it's very nice. What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock. Is it cold today?
A little bit, yes. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
When can we go?
Tomorrow is good. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football. What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. Do you like movies?
Yes, very much. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. Are you married?
No, I'm single. Do you like reading?
Yes, I read a lot.
What book are you reading?
A novel. Do you work nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Do you take the bus?
No, I walk. Do you like this city?
Yes, it's beautiful. How old are you?
I'm 28 and you?
I am 24 years old.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. And you?
I had one brother, he is dead.
I'm sorry.
What's your sister's name?
Her name is Emily.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I practice every day.
Is English hard?
A little, but it's fun. Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook dinner every night. Do you work today?
No, it's my day off.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting. Are you happy?
Yes, I am. Do you speak other languages?
I speak a little Spanish. Do you like animals?
I love cats and dogs. What's your favorite day?
Friday.
What's your favorite day?
Friday.
Nice weather today.
Yes, it is. This park is clean.
Yes, I like that.
Do you like rain?
Yes, it's relaxing. What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice. Do you have Instagram?
Yes, I do.
Can I have your ID?
Sure.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here, bye.
Talkie Talk English.